Hey guys, I'm Steve. I'm here at the Beer Club answering Google's top CrossFit questions. So there's a lot of hinging motions in CrossFit, whether that's toe to bar sit up or anything that again requires us to utilize our midline. And when you combine that, there's this also upright feel where we're like this, and with that, we're pressing out our stomach. And I mean, if you CrossFit, your shirt comes off pretty fast. It's just, it's sort of a byproduct of that. But if we're looking at CrossFit, like competitors, big time athletes, I mean, you have to have a very aggressively strong midline to be competitive in the sport. And a nice byproduct of CrossFit, when nutrition's combined appropriately, is a six-pack. And it's completely true. So if you think about gravity, as things get heavier, dynamics start to change. As an athlete, you may compensate for the weight that's on the bar. You may compensate for the movement that you're doing gymnastics-wise. Things will change as you become more fatigued. And a lot of the times, in most sports, in any nature, the negative is going to be shared more than the positive. So you're going to see the CrossFit fail videos. You're going to see the bad nature, the bad form, and things like that. So that's why you'll see that before you see the fun PRs and the exciting parts. It's not an easy business. CrossFit is not an easy business to be involved in. And you need to be on at all times and be supporting your community and running things efficiently and following up on a speedy time in order for it to succeed. I give kudos to anybody who can make a successful CrossFit gym. All right, CrossFit evolved to be able to complete movements at a faster rate. The more we can complete in a shorter period of time, the better our score. We can get full extension from the arm and to our chin over the bar, or chest to the bar, or muscle upping over the bar with a kip, which involves a faster rotation. And there are multiple different ways to do strip pull-ups. We do strip pull-ups still. We do kipping pull-ups. We do butterfly pull-ups. These are all different mechanisms that get us further. And so the pull-ups look that way because we can get them done quicker. I can get 20 kipping pull-ups done a lot faster than 20 strip pull-ups and less muscle recruitment. We have bumper plates. Bumper plates absorb into the rubber floor. They, in essence, require, and they're part of our cycling piece, which is touch and go, which is we hit the floor, we come up. If I'm snatching or clean and jerking over 250 pounds, I don't need to put it down nicely. And so that's where it's at. As long as you have more than 95 pounds in the bar, which is a 25 on each side, you're being safe. And so that's why we drop weights. So there's a lot of people in the CrossFit space that are putting out bodybuilding essence pieces because CrossFit will drain you, your CNS, all of these different pieces. You will get tired easily if you continue that piece. It's quote unquote meant to be done 5 days a week. So if you're combining with other stuff, and we have here called Torch, there's bodybuilding involved with CrossFit, and we're doing curls, we're doing strict pull-ups, and we're rowing and running at the same time, but we're combining it with that. And we do curls, yeah.